Before starting, I ask you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and at the end, share this video with your friends. Let's go to the video.
After seeing the blazing badass Seltos and the aspirationally extravagant Carnival, Kia brings to you something wild. Welcome to the world premiere of the Sonet.
Thanks for joining us today on yet another milestone occasion for Kia Motors. The Sonet is another clear sign of confidence. We have the capabilities and potential of India and its people.
We have successfully completed the pilot production phase of Sonet. We have taken all precautions and the safety measures, ensuring the production of the new Kia Sonet remains on track.
Karim Habib is my name, and I am responsible for the whole team that is the great team at Kia Design. Well, the headlights and the Tiger Nose grille is, of course, very important to every Kia.
It's fun and fierce, it's local yet very global, it's quirky but with intelligence, and all of it comes together in one product. I think that's something which really resonates with me.
Kia sees itself as a trendsetter. We don't follow others, we find our own way forward. For example, an air purification system that is the world first, and both a sound system.
Another feature that I absolutely love is the ventilated seats.
That's my favorite too, by the way.
For the first time in this category, we are introducing the dual trim concept with the addition of GT line trim.
The Sonet will be presented with two petrol engine options. It will also come with a powerful yet fuel-efficient 1.5-litre diesel engine. Among the gearbox options, the Sonet will feature a 5-speed manual, a 6-speed manual, a 6-speed automatic, and a 7-speed DCT. We are also extremely excited about something very new, a new 6-speed IMT and Duo connected car features with 57 functions with enhanced capabilities like over-the-air updates. With the diesel 6-speed 80 variant of the Sonet, customers can enjoy the convenience and comfort of an automatic. It is the first time in the segment something like this is being offered.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Kia Sonet, made in India for the world, inspired by India's young and passionate culture. Strong, trendy, and a design marvel.